Hi guys, welcome to Chidres Tech Tutorials educational YouTube channel. In the previous videos, we understood build personal portfolio website with ChatGPT, how we master Excel with ChatGPT, how we can create stunning presentations in just one click with Gamma.app AI tool. In this video, I would like to discuss how we can create animated video using audio file guys. With the help of Adobe Express. What is Adobe Express? Adobe Express is all-in-one AI content creation app. You can create Instagram story, Instagram reel, Instagram post, TikTok video, Facebook story, Facebook post, YouTube video, YouTube thumbnail, YouTube banner. You can create memes. You can create posters, brochures, invitation cards, certificate, resume, invoice. You can create business card, flyer, logo, collage, presentation, profile picture and more. You can quickly remove background from image. You can resize image. You can convert to JPG, convert to PNG, convert to SVG. You can crop images. You can convert video to GIF. You can crop video. You can trim video. You can resize video. You can merge videos. You can convert video to MP4. You can caption the video. You can create PDF, export PDF, combine PDF, edit PDF, organize PDF and more. In this video, we are going to understand how do we create animated video from audio file guys. Make an animated character with your own voice, it is telling. You can see that. First, select the character. I am going to select the character Jackson. Then second step is to choose the background. You can upload your own image if you want. Here I am going to select this background. I am going to select this one. Okay. Then next thing is you have to select the size. That's the third step. Are you creating this for Instagram, Facebook or Twitter, YouTube? What? I select YouTube. I select here shorts 9:16 ratio. Okay, that's the third step. And the fourth step is to record your character's dialogue. Or you can browse MP3 file, AIF, WAV and MP4 files. And it should be 2 minutes and 1 GB max per upload guys. Remember that. Here either you can browse an audio file or you can record. I am going to record guys because I don't have an audio file. I am going to record it. So let's record. I click on the record button. Hi, I am Jackson. I am a big fan of Chidres Tech Tutorials educational YouTube channel. If you want to learn animation, VFX, gaming, multimedia or AI tools, I strongly suggest you people to subscribe to Chidres Tech Tutorials educational YouTube channel and share guys. I click on done. Now it is uploading the audio file. You can see that. It is telling hang tight, just generating your preview, waiting in the queue. It is telling, you can see that. You can see that it is computing the lip sync, computing the head movement, exporting, completed, wrapping up. You can see that it is telling download your MP4 or open in Adobe Express to add filters, text, animations and more. If you want, you can edit the generated video or you can download it as MP4 and we can preview here. If I click on this, hi, I am Jackson. If you want to learn animation, VFX, gaming, multimedia or AI tools, I strongly suggest you people to subscribe to Chidres Tech Tutorials educational YouTube channel and share guys. You can see that it has successfully created the video for us from our audio file guys. I can click on download. It is telling all-in-one app for standout content. Sign up for free to download your file. I am going to sign in. I can sign in from the Google account. I say continue with Google. I am going to choose the account. I enter the password. I say next. You can see that it is downloading the video file. It is downloaded to the downloads folder. I right click on it, say open with the VLC media player. You can see that I am a big fan of Chidres Tech Tutorials educational YouTube channel. If you want to learn animation, VFX, gaming, multimedia or AI tools, I strongly suggest you people to subscribe to Chidres Tech Tutorials educational YouTube channel and share guys. You can see that it has successfully created the animated video for us. We can modify it if we want in Adobe Express as I told. And there are some bonus tips guys. Here I go to remove background. It is asking me upload your photo. We can remove the background from any image quickly guys. It is asking drag and drop the image or browse. I'm going to browse my image. Say open. You can see that it is going to remove the background from this image which I can download. You can see that it is downloaded to my downloads folder without background. You can see that so nice, clearly it has cut. right? You can do a lot of things, guys. Let's go back to it. Let's go back to Adobe Express home, and if I go down, you can see that it has option to generate, okay, create fast with generative AI, one click quick actions. You can see that you can describe here, try describing things, environments, people and mood. I'm going to say here generate a robot made with scrap metals standing in the forest. So it is going to generate an image from the text, guys. I click on generate. You can see that it has created a robot image made with scrap metals standing in the forest, and it has given many variations. You can see that. Awesome, right? You can create text to image, guys. Just you need to give a proper prompt and tell it to generate. So Adobe Express is the best place for all your designing needs, guys. Okay, you can work with images, videos with the help of artificial intelligence. I like this one. Yeah, I'll download it and use it for my personal use, right? You can download PNG, right? Let me go back to Adobe Express home. You can see you can do a lot of things. As I told that you can create social media related content, you can create video content, you can work with images, you can create documents, you can create marketing related content, you can generate with AI. I strongly suggest to people to spend time here and explore what are the tools available from Adobe Express. It is one of the best site for all your designing needs. For this video tutorial, this much is enough, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. In the upcoming video tutorials, we discuss more about AI tools. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep creating, keep sharing. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.